The muscle groups of ventral forearm. The first layer, it consists of four muscles. From lateral to medial, they are the pronator teres, whose action is pronation of forearm, flexor carpi radialis, its action is elbow flexion and wrist adduction, palmaris longus, its action is elbow flexion and stretching of palmar aponeurosis, and the last one is flexor carpi ulnaris and its action is elbow flexion and wrist adduction. And all these muscles are supplied by the median nerve. The second layer has one muscle, that is flexor digitorum superficialis. It is inserted by four slips into 2 to 5 fingers, that is medial fingers, that is from 2 to 5. And this muscle inserts into the base of middle phalanx. Action, its action is flexion of all joints starting from elbow, that includes flexion, to proximal interphalangeal joint. This muscle is also supplied by median nerve. The third layer has got two muscles, that is flexor digitorum profundus and flexor pollicis longus. Flexor digitorum profundus. This muscle is inserted to bases of second to fifth terminal phalanges of medial fingers, that is medial four fingers. Action, that includes all the joints from wrist to distal interphalangeal joint. Nerve supply. The flexor digitorum profundus has got two parts. The muscle part, which supplies to second and third fingers, is supplied by anterior interosseous nerve of median nerve, whereas the slips which are going to fourth and fifth fingers are supplied by the ulnar nerve. Flexor pollicis longus. This muscle insertion is into the base of terminal phalanx of thumb, and its action includes all joints from wrist to interphalangeal joints of thumb. And the nerve supply comes from anterior interosseous nerve, which is a branch of median nerve. The fourth layer has only one muscle, that is pronator quadratus. This muscle originates from distal anterior surface of ulna and inserts into distal anterior surface of radius. The action is pronation, and the nerve supply is anterior interosseous nerve, that is again branch of median nerve. Thank you.